Hello everyone, welcome back. For those fascinated by blockchain, into cryptocurrency, or deep into DeFi, this is the place to be. I'm Faraz and this is Decentralized Chain, and today we're focusing on Hydradx in the Polkadot ecosystem and its impact on decentralized finance. Want to grasp the full potential of DeFi? Remember to subscribe, like, and hit that bell for more updates. Now, let's get ready to dive straight into Hydradx and its role in DeFi. Hydradx has recently been filled with major developments, including the integration of swaps on Nova Wallet, enhancing the user experience in asset management, and introducing new asset pairs in both the Omnipool and a newly established stablepool. Now, these developments are not just keeping pace, but setting the tempo in DeFi innovations. And for those of you who are not familiar with Hydradx, it's a key player in the Polkadot ecosystem. It's taken a bold step forward with a rebrand to Hydration Network and the launch into money markets with an innovative lending and borrowing platform, leveraging the advanced features of Aave version 3. Now, this move transitions the brand towards a fresh and modern identity, aiming to make it more relatable and dynamic. And building on this momentum, Hydradx has also introduced Holler, a decentralized stablecoin with advanced peg stabilizing mechanisms alongside its new finance platforms. Now, this marks a significant advancement in the DeFi space on Polkadot, underlining Hydradx's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in blockchain finance. The crucial exploration today is the synergy within the Polkadot ecosystem, facilitated by cross-consensus messaging, or XCM. And now this innovation enables seamless interactions and liquidity flow across diverse chains such as Acala, Bifrost, and the newly introduced Asset Hub, enhancing the interoperability and efficiency that defines Polkadot's DeFi landscape. Now, the Omnipool, Hydradx's flagship automated market maker, or AMM, introduces a novel concept in DeFi by consolidating assets into a single pool for single-sided liquidity, enhancing trading efficiency significantly. Now, this unique setup has facilitated the seamless integration of new assets such as cross-network CRU token directly into the Omnipool. However, it's important to clarify that not all new additions follow the same integration pattern. Specifically, the unique NFT chain's UNQ token operates within an isolated pool distinct from the Omnipool. Now, this differentiation allows for specific trading pairs like UNQ to USDT and UNQ to DOT to exist outside the Omnipool framework, catering to the nuanced needs of traders and maintaining a diverse and rich trading ecosystem within Hydradx. Now, Hydradx proposed a strategic rebrand to Hydration, encompassing the protocol's naming, logo, visual vibes, and thematic elements. Now, this rebrand, which received 79.3% approval rate from the community, marks a new chapter and promises to infuse the project with fresh energy and perspective. To ensure this transition is as impactful as possible and to leverage the rebranding effectively, a professional marketing firm has now also been tasked with overseeing the implementation and promotion. The community and stakeholders are keenly awaiting the outcomes of these efforts, expecting to see tangible results in the coming months. Now, Hydradx takes advantage of Polkadot's advanced design to ensure that users can make trades using their capital as efficiently as possible. And thanks to Polkadot, which is known for its high level of security and the ability for different systems to work together seamlessly, Hydradx can offer a trading experience that's not just safer and smoother, but also opens up the world of decentralized finance to more people. So this perfect match between Hydradx's goals and Polkadot's capabilities is central to Hydradx's innovative approach, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in making financial services available to everyone without compromising on safety or user experience. So if you're intrigued by how Hydradx is shaping the future of DeFi and Polkadot, hit the like if you're enjoying the deep dive, subscribe for more insights into the blockchain world, and ring the bell to stay updated. And together, we're at the forefront of exploring and understanding the pulse of decentralized technologies. The journey through the cutting-edge world of Hydradx and its impact on Polkadot's DeFi ecosystem is just beginning. The future certainly holds untold possibilities, and I think we'll continue to uncover more opportunities that await. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay on the leading edge of blockchain innovation with us right now on Decentralized Chain. And I'll see you on the next one.